This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drivebelt Replacement. Pull the hood release lever located under the steering column. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut on the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Loosen the hose clamps, then remove the air intake duct between the air filter housing and the throttle body. Rotate the belt tensioner counterclockwise with a square drive to release the tension on the drive belt. Slip the belt off of an accessible pulley, then slowly release the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the drive belt from the various accessory pulleys, noting how it's routed. Loosely install the drive belt, making sure that it's properly routed among the pulleys. Rotate the tensioner to allow the belt to be slipped onto the remaining pulley, then release the tensioner to apply tension to the belt. Make sure the belt is centered into all the pulley grooves. Install the air intake duct to the ports between the air filter housing and throttle body. Tighten the hose clamps securely. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.